this is just a quick little video to explain the differences between a UK double crochet and a US double crochet. So you can see the differences here. If I come in a little bit closer. Now the UK double crochet is much tighter. This would be classed as a single crochet using US terminology if we were using the same terminology as we've done to make this swatch here. So it's much tighter, the stitches are a lot more round, and it's a lot more tight and compact. Now the US double crochet, the stitches are twice as high, there's a lot more gaps, and it's a lot more it's a lot more space, there's a lot more pulley, it's a lot more stretchy. So I've made videos which explain how to do both of these. I'll pop the link in the description, but I just wanted to show you the differences between the two. It's very confusing and definitely something to watch out for when you're using it in patterns.